Guys, thanks for tuning in back. Just here, basically I'm installing my new cabin filter for the Chrysler, which is right there, as you can see. So I checked it last time. Ow! I checked it last time. It wasn't clean. So I'll show you what I mean. It's easy to change on these Chargers, Magnums, and Chrysler 300s. I believe for the Challenger it's the same as well. Okay, so for these, if I can get it open, is going to be this right here. Some of y'all might have it, some of y'all might. It just depends what vehicle you have. If it came with the option of the cabin. So, like I said, some of y'all might, some of y'all won't. But you just pull this tab up. I checked it before, that's why I ordered that one. But, oh my gosh, if I can get it. Come on. As you can see, that is just disgusting. You can see you can't see through crap. Nothing through it. So that's just disgusting. Away with that. Okay, see, so that's the thing. Now, some of y'all might not have the option. If y'all don't, buy the kit to install it. So like, for example, that one. The Magnum does not have it. I mean, I don't have the keys to show y'all. But hang on, let me grab them real quick. Alright, so I'll pop the hood. So I'm gonna show you guys with this one. Okay, as y'all can see, this one has the open. Oh my gosh, he needs no filter. This one has the opening for it. Just exactly the same as mine, except his did not come with the filter. Oh gosh, I stepped on it. No! But see, it just has that. There is no filter on it. Obviously, if he does go with it, it's gonna have to go screwed on. There's that kit, obviously, to be able to install one. But in order to get that, I believe he has to take out the cowl, and I believe that's it, honestly. So I mean, he's probably gonna buy one soon. I forgot I'm supposed to get that tire fixed. But anyway, so what you'll do is just spray this out, spray this filter with the refresher. I have the cleaner inside, but since I already cleaned, might as well just put the refresher, and then I'm just gonna go ahead and install it just how you saw it. Make sure the airflow is the same. Okay, I just finished spraying it, so this has no airflow direction. Well, it doesn't have direction, but what I'm gonna do, just so I can remember, is just keep it upside, or letters facing me, so that way I know exactly how it's gonna go. But this thing just slides in there like a glove. Oh, you're just gonna snap that back in. There you go, and then you're all set. It's not hard, honestly. And then that's it, simple as that. So again, thanks for tuning in. I will see you guys next video. See you on the next one.